Hello students, welcome to the online classes for biology. Myself Chandra J. Gajaria will teach you biology here. In first lecture, we are going to discuss about introduction to biology. In 9th and 10th standard, in science and technology subject, you have already studied about some topics related with biology. Now, for 11th standard, we are going to study it in detail. First of all, let's talk about some career opportunities for biology students. Main field, that is medical, dental, Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy. In these branches, you can get admission through your NEET score. So, NEET exam is required compulsory for this field. Some other fields, these are physiotherapy, nursing, pharmacy, BSc and some other branches where you can also get admission as a biology student. So, in science stream, as being a biology student, you have lot of career opportunities. Now we are talking to introduction to biology. What is biology? Meaning of biology is bios plus logos. It means that bios, living organisms, logos, study, the science which study about the living organism, that is biology. In biology, two living organisms, plants and animals, we are going to study in detail. There are so many branches of biology. Some main branches of biology we are going to discuss here. So, you can get idea about it, what you are going to study in biology for 11th and 12th standard. First, genetics. As you know, in genetics, we actually study the structure of DNA and RNA. DNA is a genetic material responsible for inheritance or heredity. Mendeleism work on genetics, heredity. So many cases are there to study, so many experiments are there to study. So, in this branch of biology, genetics, mainly we will study about genes, DNA, RNA and related topics. Ecology is also branch of biology. In ecology branch of biology, the surrounding of living organism we are going to study. They are mainly biotic and abiotic factor. So, interaction between living organism and surrounding factor, that is study known as ecology. Next, human physiology. As you know, as being a human, we know in our body so many physiological activities are going on. In this field, human physiology, various physiology activity in human body like breathing, respiration, circulation, transportation of gases, then structure of kidney, its function, so many metabolic activity we can study in human physiology. Interesting branch. Nowadays it is also popular, that is biotechnology. As the name suggests, bio plus technology. It means that uses of technology in the field of biology. In the field of biology, various techniques are used like tissue culture, genetic engineering, so many other type of experiments are conducted and various scopes are there. Botany. In botany, study of living organism, plants is there in detail. As you know, plants are also living organisms. They show various metabolic activities like animals. Okay. In plant body, their study of anatomy, physiology, their classification in detail is in branch of botany. Microbiology. Micro, small organism, mini organism cannot be observed by naked eye. The field deals with this type of organism. Various viruses, bacteria, fungi and some other parasites which are microorganisms, they are included in the study of microbiology. As you know, nowadays we are suffering from COVID-19. Okay. Here it is also responsible viruses are there. So it is mentioned study in detail in the field of microbiology. Zoology. Zoology. Zoo मतलब animals. This branch of biology deals with study of animals. Animal classification, animal physiology, animal anatomy, some other fields related with animal study, they are mentioned in zoology. So we can say botany deals with plants and zoology deals with animals.